my best wishes to viewers of MNR
Yes, sir.
television for Independence Day,
Yes, sir.
and the people of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, to both the states, my best wishes on 73rd Independence Day. In fact, yes, the incident in Galwan, the
Yes, sir.
Colonel Santosh who was there, he was martyred, shaheed ho gaye the wo, plus total 20 soldiers lost their life and they sacrificed their life for the country. They were, again, the intention was not to fight. They went to see the situation. But suddenly when they attacked, they were attacked. And naturally, but the reaction was so strong, in spite of being surprised, that China suffered heavy casualties, which India has shown the respect to our martyrs, each and every village. The bodies, mortal remains were sent in a proper manner. They were given all the respect by the government, by the local authorities, by the local officials, by the media. In fact, I must say that thanks to you all also, that which has brought up the impact to the common people, and whole country was charged up because of media. The whole country is now looking for anti-China feeling are there, whether it is the tradesman, whether it is the industry, whether it is the economy, whether it is a diplomat. And Indian Army has got good experience in mountain warfare. We have been under fire because in Kashmir, and we have taken part in war, and everybody who takes part in the operations in Jammu and Kashmir is used to coming under fire and firing on the enemy. So we are quite experienced and we are professional army. Chinese army is more of a political army. So that is the difference. Our commitment to the nation is much more than China. They might be, their defense budget might be more. It is 3 times than the India's budget. But how to use the weapon, the man behind the weapon, and our strategies are much better, and we are not what we were in 1962. Now in 1962 we did not use Air Force. Now right from day one, the Air Force is flying there. They are doing their patrolling. They are seeing their activities. So we have shown that we will not take any nonsense and will reply in a proper manner. And we are committed to safeguard our freedom, safeguard our borders. So we purchased Rafale aircraft and then S-400 anti-aircraft missile, which are coming in next year only. Rafale, we got about 5 of them. So the Rafale aircraft becomes the force multiplier. It is a multi-role aircraft. It is attack, strike, recce, electronic, and air defense. Air to air, air to ground, and communication. Everything is there in one aircraft. That one aircraft is so powerful. And now China is worried that Indian Air Force is becoming stronger. Though all these actions have been delayed, they should have been, this thing should have come much earlier. But because of our bureaucratic delays, it took a lot of time. And now I am happy that the government is talking of being Atmanirbhar. The best way to be strong is to be able to make your weapon system, your items within the country. The path to growth and path to be strong is to be Atmanirbhar. We should not be trader, we should be manufacturer and export. Then only our economy will grow, our weapon system will grow. Then we can make any number of weapon, any number of aircraft at maybe 1/10 the cost. That is a thing which is very important. And this is again a message to the youth, to the industry, to the trade, who are already charged up to think out of box, think differently, and join the mission of being Atmanirbhar, making India Atmanirbhar. And that is the only way. If you grow, the whole country grows, everybody grows. That's the message I would like to convey through your channel.